our love is strong enough to survive. With you and I, we're gonna make the world work. We've got this good thing going on. The way you're loving me, the way I'm loving you, baby. We can keep it going strong if you just wait for me. With my career and world of opportunity, and although my heart stays true to you, there'll be things that try to get in our way. There's no problem with us, though we can handle it, you know. We've been through so much, and our love is strong enough to survive. Out to the city tonight. I'm actually performing at Daniel Ross's album launch, which will be a really good night. So it's at the Landmark, which is next to the State Theatre in the city. So if you're free, pop down, it'll be a really good night. Now, the next song I'm going to sing for you is called Signed, Sealed, Delivered. So if you know the words, please sing along.